Well, hello everyone. I think we are live. We are trying something a little different as we're sharing our Tara's must-have. Couldn't be more excited about it because it's already live over on our Facebook page and our temp-tations.com, which is fantastic. Don't ask me what I'm even talking about. It's nostalgia time. It's our bakers. It's our apple bakers. And so we are celebrating our 20th anniversary. So you know what that means. We brought back colors. We introduced new colors. Hello, mint. Hello, mint. And what's amazing about this is our nostalgic pieces are kind of a one and done. We bring them back and then we're retiring them. These apple bakers have been so popular in the past that I couldn't be more excited. Hey, oh, Kevin Riley's on the board. Love it. Couldn't be more excited to share them with you. So two great size bakers. Hey, Mary Jo. Hey, Carol. This is so exciting. I can see all the comments on this big screen right here. And I can talk to all of you guys instead of trying to hold the phone and look at my forehead and up my nose and you know, all that good stuff. Oh, 2-quart and a 3-quart, you guys, in that apple inspiration with our classic pattern. So you have that beautiful detailing, and this is the mint, which you guys have been so excited about. We gave little sneak peeks about it. Hey, Nancy, hello. Hi, Julie. We gave sneak peeks about the color, and you're loving it. So this is the very first color, right, Lise, that we have available on tt.com, on temp-tations.com. Hey, Megan. Megan's saying hi to both of us. Hi, Megan. Hey, Megan. How you doing? Woo-woo. All right, so here's what I love about these bakers. First of all, they're under $35. $34.95 for 5-quart total capacity. 2-quart and that 3-quart. For me, the 2-quart is going to be like that one dish cooking if it's maybe just you or the two of you. That big one can be, again, perfect side dish for a big family. Love that they're going to nest down inside each other. Look how stinking cute these are. Ooh, that mint color, I can't even stand it. All right, well, why don't we put it to work? So if you're new to Temp-tations, or if not and you just want a friendly reminder, they're oven safe up to 500 degrees, which means I can broil in it. Hold on, I'm going to the oven. I'll be right back. You can tuck this under the broiler, which is fantastic. And the way I designed it is that kind of leaf detail is a helper handle. The part of the apple at the bottom comes out. That creates the other helper handle. And, my goodness, let's talk about scalloped potatoes. Because I have to tell you, this is layer upon layer of potato and cheese and ooey gooey. And guess what? I can go ahead and pull it right from the sides because it's naturally non-stick. So you have that beautiful even heating all the way through, yet you have that crunchy cheese right here on the top because I tucked it in the broiler. Oh, Diana's saying she loves the new mint color. Don't wait on it, you guys. We did not bring in a ton of these. It is retiring. Once again, it's part of our nostalgia collection where we brought back some of your absolute faves. And updated it. Put it in the classic pattern, which I know so many of you love, in great colors, confetti and gray and mint. You can check out all the colors on tt.com. And then look at this beautiful 9-pound spiraled ham with plenty of room for your veggies around the side. This is what we love about one dish cooking. So kind of your Easter Passover, not the ham, but your Easter meal could be so beautiful inside here. Love all of, again, the details that you're seeing. And then we baked in it. This apple dump cake is actually a recipe that you can find over on our Facebook page. So head over there and check it out, right, Lise?
On temp-tations.com.
On temp-tations.com. I keep saying Facebook page. There's a Facebook page. There's what? There's a website.
And there's a recipe
And there's a recipe group. Have you guys checked out our... Oh.
Yes, please.
I need a moment just to kind of sway with it. Our recipe group, Recipes from Tara's Table. Amazing, great recipes, great community. You're already joining, sharing, and we absolutely love it. This is a no-brainer, and when you say dump cake, sign me up. It's nothing scientific. Almost don't even need a measurement. What's up, Lisa? You're staring at me. I feel her boring a hole in the side of my head.
Do you know why?
Why?
There's only 100 left in mint.
Only 100 left in mint, and then we say goodbye. This is a nostalgic item that we did in honor of our 20th anniversary. Oh, this is a nice ooey gooey sticky hold please cake I needed to give a little love to. Look at that, even heating all the way around, no hot spots, and virtually clean right there on the inside of the baker. So no butters, no oils, no extra added fats, healthier way to cook. And again, it pops right out, which is fantastic. We did a cute little crudité here. Remember, you can keep cold things cold as well as hot things hot. I'm gonna grab something from the fridge. One of my absolute favorite things to do, shrimp cocktail. Hold on, coming back. shrimp cocktail. We layered in a ramekin with our cocktail sauce. You could have horseradish, but look at this, the lemon's all the way around it, and you can chill it ahead of time. So maybe you're just using these for some apps. We did a beautiful crudité platter with some ranch dressing. We did shrimp cocktail with our cocktail sauce. We baked a ham, a 9-pound ham. We baked scalloped potatoes. 2 different desserts, one where the recipe is over at, of course, temp-tations.com. So head over there and check it out. 2-quart, 3-quart, brought back our nostalgic baker, introduced it in mint. Absolutely stunning.
That looks gorgeous.
Look at that, even the profile there, all of the, there you can really see that pop of color. And there's that apple-inspired shape that so many of us love. 2-quart, 3-quart, under $35, $34.95. Where can you find it? Head over to temp-tations.com. You can check it out. You can check out the recipe. And all you have to do is pick your color. The pattern's coming right to you. Enjoy, you guys. Thank you. That's why we call it a Tara's must-have. This one is so exciting. See you soon.